The psychologist is not a medical practitioner. He cannot prescribe drugs. The psychologist can discuss with you about your problems and your mental health. The psychiatrist, on the contrary, is a doctor. He can prescribe psychotropic drugs and clinical tests. The psychologist and psychiatrist can work together. If you feel unhappy, you can't sleep and you can't eat. If you feel sad and tired for no apparent reason, if you are overthinking, you can contact the mental health center of your area. You can book an appointment by calling, or you can go directly to the MHC with a prescription from your doctor or by direct access. When you get there, a nurse will ask you many questions about your situation, and you will book an appointment with the psychologist or the psychiatrist. At the MHC, everything is done with discretion and respecting your privacy. Your family member will be informed of your situation only if you want them to know. If you don't want them to know, everything will be kept secret. If you think you are addicted to alcohol, drugs, or gambling, please contact the Service of Pathological Addictions, SERPA, of your area. They could provide treatment and rehabilitation therapy. You can access the therapy only if you have a valid residence permit. It is free of charge and you don't need a medical prescription from your doctor. In situation of emergency, if the MHC is not open at night or during public holidays, you can go to the emergency. There you will find a psychiatrist, or you can call the emergency medical service at 118.